So this video is to help you identify or understand if you see bubbles returning to your pool from the returns. Now, if you have an ozone system in your equipment that helps with sanitizing, that is what it's supposed to be doing. That is normal, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you have a standard equipment setup and you have bubbles returning to the pool, or if you go over to your main filter pump and you see a lot of air in that lid, that clear lid, then you are pulling air. That is going to be on your suction side. It could be as simple as your lid's not on tight, the O-ring that is on the lid is bad and needs to be replaced, or if you have valves for turning skimmers and main drains, you actually can get leaks because those do have rubber gaskets in there that do wear out. Those are the most common reasons why you are pulling air. Other reasons is you may have a glue fitting that is dislodged and now it's pulling air, or unfortunately a cracked pipe underground that pulls air. And then the funny one is your water is too low and you're pulling air through your skimmer. So I always say check your water levels first. If you are halfway up your tile, depending on the setup of your pool, and it's still occurring, then check your skimmer wears. Those are the flappers going in your skimmer to ensure they're not stuck and blocking water to get to that skimmer. Once you've done that, then go back to the equipment, check, make sure your lid's on tight, maybe even go ahead and replace that O-ring on there. And another little trick that'll help you identify if it is the plumbing at your equipment, that is the plumbing that is coming into the pump before it returns to the filter and back to the pool. What you can do is turn it on, let it prime up as best it can, having that air leak, and then either by yourself or with somebody helping you, when you turn your equipment off, it's going to create back pressure and it'll actually spit water wherever that air leak is coming from. So when you turn that off, if you see water spitting out of that lid, that is potentially your leak. Or if you see it spitting out of one of your valves, that is where your leak is. They do sell valve replacement kits for the O-rings that you can get, or again, get with your pool professional and let them take care of that for you. Once you've done that, then you're good to go. If you'd like to get more information and or reach out to us and talk to one of our professionals that would love to help you out, just click on the link below and somebody will get back to you.